again. I was in a lecture on pre-calculus earlier this week and a really helpful tip for one of my lecturers, so shout out to Patrick Bruck from Southern Cross University. If you're faced with a polynomial and you're not quite sure how to factorise it because it doesn't have a 1 in front of the x squared term, now this one gets me all the time. I'm sure one day I'll look at it and just go, yeah, I know what the factors are. But this was a really helpful tip and I was just so impressed. I thought, it's been about a year since I made some content, so I'm going to just push this video out and it's for my benefit as much as yours. Anyway, I hope it helps you. So here's the problem. It's 2x squared minus x minus 6. Now, you might figure that there's going to be a 2 in there and a 3 in there, and of course there will be, but the question is, well, where does the 2 go and where does the 3 go? Well, you can try some trial and error, and of course it's a great idea, but here's another solution. You look at the 2 in front, and you look at the negative 6, and you multiply those, and you're going to get negative 12. What two numbers, when you add them together, give you negative 1, and when you multiply them, give you negative 12? Well, as you can imagine, of course, that's negative 4 and 3. So here's how we write this problem. This is a really clever step. You break out the problem into a longer expression, which is 2x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. Still the same answer, but now you're expressing it in a slightly longer format, and this is why that's a fantastic idea, because now you can factorize it and you can see where this is going. So immediately the first two terms simplify as 2x into x minus 2. The last two terms, you bring the 3 out front and then you've got x minus 2 in the back. Well, now x minus 2 is a common factor and you group the other two, which is 2x plus 3, voila, factorization. So no more spending time going, which one of these numbers goes with the other ones, huh? I loved it. Such a time saver. So while we're here, I'm just going to share a couple of simple tips about some content that I've learned recently. Put together a video for something and it didn't go so well, and I'm thinking that maybe it was because I didn't have enough lighting, so soft light tonight. And of course, who doesn't want to see a fabulous fireplace? And here's Louis making his special appearance, and there's one more thing, of course, that all content creators should never forget, and that is never break the fourth wall. Hope you enjoyed. Leave your comments in the feed. Talk to you next time.